So good morning everybody. I think it's about day 13 on Deal Coastguard Cottage. Not put a video up for a couple of days, been absolutely worked to the bone. Yeah, by the time I'm getting in overnight, it's I just have a bit of dinner, shower, then you know what I mean, chill out, then bed. Yeah, haven't seen this bit. I finished this off yesterday. I say finished it, I started it from there to there, did that all day yesterday. It's all pointed in, ironed in. All I've got to do is sort the brickwork out, you know, put some new bricks in, cut some bricks out, replace them. There's one there, it's got to be cut out. I will show you the video on how to cut the bricks out. Two methods of doing it. One with the drill, masonry drill, and one with the Arbortech brick saw. So yeah, it's coming on very nicely. Going to plan. Okay, let's get round the other side. I've got a little bit background there where we've just been to finish off. I'll show you that in a minute. Then it's a case of coming up to this end of the scaffolding and then starting on this side of the building. So that's all got to be done all the way along. Let's have a little look. The reveals have got to be finished, cut that out. Somebody's going up there in a rib, look at it. So yeah, that's the next step. When I finish around there shortly, is to come around here and crack on with this. Dave's not in, he's not been too good, bless him. The reveals are all done now. Got a few to do up the top there on that lift, and on that side at the top. In up there, I've got to take the bricks out, so I might as well leave the reveals till I get up there. Let's take you around here. I'll show you what's got to be finished off around here. Okay, so yesterday I did all the way up there, and I've got to finish that there and up to there. Do the reveals, cut the rest of those out, and we can access these when the scaffold's down, so it's no major issue. It's a bit of a pain doing it off the scaffolding at the moment, but I will get around it. Okay, so I'm going to get that done and I'll catch you in a bit. I don't know whether I have the weekend off or come here for the Saturday, and it's a nice day, I might come on site and have a day out. It's either that or go out on the boat. I don't know, what do you reckon? Look at that out there, it's like a mill pond. It's gorgeous out there today. I might throw a couple of videos up of how I spend my time on my days off. That's very rare, but I'll have to take you out fishing one day. Right, okay, I'll catch you shortly. See you in a bit. Lime and mortar.